pull down here. Hey guys, these are the best seats in the house down here, guys. If this were a Lakers game, you'd be Jack Nicholson. Yeah, all the kids are like, who's Jack Nicholson? And the adults are like, oh, he was the Joker. And the kids are like, nah, that was Jared Leto. It's like, no, let's forget about that one. We don't care. We don't own DC. Yeah, guys, still got this entire tide pool. It's like owning your own private island. Do you have any idea how hard it is to own your own private island in this economy? Because I don't. Hey guys, remember, everybody, you gotta be all the way in the solid blue. Keep going. The spoiler's coming in, man.
No, dude.
There we go.
Oh, dude, you gotta thank you.
All right, there we go. Looks like everyone's found their seats. Doors are closed. I think we're ready to get started here. How you guys doing today? All right. Hey, you guys have a lot of energy. That's gonna go away. Well, welcome to the Marine Life Institute of Southern California, everybody. My name is Kyle, and I'm going to be your host. Now, here at MLI, we have a mission. That mission is to rescue, rehabilitate, and
Release!
Yes, release. Thanks, you 5 people.
Yeah.
We actually have a 4th part to that mission, and that's research, which is why we've built this window to the Pacific. Everyone say ooh. And you can't say ooh without. And you can't say ah without. Yeah, actually, I don't know what it is. I just want to see what noise you guys make. Now, folks, if you look in the corner here, we've got this dangly thing. This is our hydrophone, and it works a lot like my microphone, except it works underwater and lets us communicate with our undersea friends, including today's special guest. What's his name, folks?
Crush!
I'm pretty sure that was the whole audience, but I only heard these guys, so... yeah, Crush the Sea Turtle. He's going to swim on by, ask us a few things, but you guys can ask him questions, too. Things like, Crush, what do you like to eat? What's your favorite color? Can we get a different host? Everything is totally up for grabs. Who already has a question ready for Crush, guys? Go raise your hands for me real quick. All right, it's like 1 kid and 3 young adults, big children. It's a weird age range, I don't know. Adults, don't be shy. Crush likes talking to everybody, not just the kids, so go ahead and think of something you've ever wanted to ask a talking sea turtle. Now guys, if you turn around for me real quick, you see Donna in the back. Everyone wave hi. She's there to help you guys out in case you need anything. She'll show you to your 3 exit doors over there to your left in case you need to leave early for any reason whatsoever. Crying child, phone call, your fast pass is ready, anything like that. Otherwise, I'm going to ask you guys to stay in your seats or completely in the tide pools throughout the conversation with Crush because it's going to get dark in here. I'm going to be running all up and down and you don't want me to step on you because we call that a... lawsuit! Did somebody say crime? I mean, it's not wrong, I guess. Moonfish, guys, let's remind everyone to put away the food, seal away the drinks, refrain from smoking, and this is what cameras used to look like before smartphones. Just no flash photography, guys. How about a big hand for the Moonfish? Yeah! All right, folks, Crush is surfing some tasty waves over on the EAC right now, but he said whenever we're ready for him, just to shout out, hey, Crush, really big. So, on the count of 3, really big. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, Crush!
Righteous! Righteous, yeah! Dude, scope out the drop-down 360 intro by the turtle. Sure. Whoa, dude. Scope out all the humans in the human tank. Hello, human dudes. Oh, they live, rock on. Oh, dude, they even brought a couple grommet sub-level. Hello, little dudes.
Hey, what's up?
Whoa. Focus, little dudes. Yeah, dude, Kyle, is that you over there?
Ja, dude.
Hey, dude, can you help me make contact with the humans?
Let's do it.
Dude, sweet. Let's totally stick with this tide pool right here, dude. I want to make contact with the dudette. She's right next to the aisle. She's got the no-sleevey pinky shell on, dude.
Ja.
Hey, dudette, what's your name?
Me?
No, the dudette next to you. Oh, she climbing up?
Looks like it.
Oh, dude, no way. Well, then let's go one noggin into the dude with the lid. He was very enthusiastic to talk to me. Hey, dude, what's your name?
My name is Gavin.
Oh, dude, nice to meet you, Gavin, dude. I'm totally gonna give you a rad turtle name. I'm gonna call you Goofy-Footed Gavin. Hey, dude, now that you got a turtle name, do you know how to talk like a turtle?
No.
No, dude, no worries. I can totally teach you. Because I'm a turtle. Okay, first, say totally.
Totally.
Oh, dude, Gavin, that was really good. Okay, now say sweet.
Sweet.
Dude, it's like I'm talking to a turtle. Okay, now put those two together and say totally sweet.
Totally sweet.
Ah, dude, you did it! Everyone give it up for goofy-footed Gavin. Like turtle. Rock mini, dude. Dude, so like, where do you come from? Like, where do you live, dude?
I live in San Diego.
Oh, dude, we got a sand dog in the house. Rock on. Dude, what's your favorite beach down there? Oh, no worries, dude. Catfish gets my tongue every once in a while, too. I think you're talking about Pacific Beach?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, PB is awesome, dude. Sometimes I like to hang out at the OB. Sometimes I go down to, like, Coronado. But, dude, that gets very crowded very quickly. Well, dude, like, who brought you here on this fine day from the Sand Dog, dude? Like, who'd you cruise with?
I cruise with all my family and my grandma.
Oh, dude, with the whole Ohana. Rock on. Yo, Ohana, where you at? Totally raise your fins up. Make yourselves known. Ooh. Halfway back to San Diego. Hey, dude, what's your name?
Oh, Andrea.
Oh, dude, nice to meet you. Ephraim Andrea. Dude, are you Mama Bear?
Yeah.
Oh, rock on. How many little ones you got in total?
3.
Dude, you're totally just getting started, dude. Yeah, I have 65 of my own. Well, dude, Andrea, you should try that. Dude, no worries. Dude, I saw the fear in your eyes. It was awesome. Dude, so your little ones, do they ask you questions like all the time?
Yes.
Oh, dude, but you got all the answers, right?
Sure.
Yeah, dude. I'll make them all up, too. But that's information's totally why I'm here. See, my little dude, Squirt, he's always asking me about you human dudes. But sadly, I never have the answers. So I was hoping that you humans can help me bring back some Mondo human knowledge to the offspring. If that sounds like fun, totally say chaw.
Chaw.
Oh, you so totally rock.
Good.
Oh, dude, we got some primo level turtle talkers out there. Dude, for everyone else, follow the experts. And when a green sea turtle says, "You so totally rock," you say, "Dude," really loud, okay? So, "You so totally rock."
Dude.
Dude, sweet, now you're all totally talking like turtles. That's on to Squirt's question. Numero uno. Squirtman wants to know, how many of you human dudes out there know how to swim like us turtles? So if you totally know how to swim, raise your fins up nice and high. I want to see all my Mondo human shredders out there, dudes. Okay, we got some shredders in the tank. Yo, dude, Kyle, let's kick it over here. Let's go first row, second noggin. Dude looks like a rat shredder.
Ja, dude.
Hey, dude, what's your name?
Sasha.
Oh, dude, nice to meet you, Surfing Sasha. Dude, where do you come from?
DC.
Oh, dude, you come from the DC. Wait. How do you spell that?
Washington, DC.
That's a lot more complicated than I expected. Dude, so how's the surf in the DC?
Not so good, but it's the other ocean, so it's far away.
Oh, bomber, dude. So, like, what do you do for fun on the land if you're not surfing it up?
Go to school.
Oh, you're in schools? Dude, what are you studying?
Music.
Oh, okay, sweet. Like, what's the kind of music do you like to study?
I write musical theater.
No way. Dude, what's your favorite musical?
Hamilton.
Oh, turn around real quick. See that guy behind you?
Yeah.
That's his favorite musical. You guys got something to talk about. Yeah, dude, I've heard of the Clamilton. It sounds awesome, dude. Well, hey, what are you planning to do after you graduate?
Go to New York and hopefully write musicals.
Oh, dude, well, the best of luck to you, dude. Rock on.
Thank you.
Oh, hey, dude, okay, I gotta ask you the important question, though.
Mm-hmm.
When you do go swimming, do you shred the biscuits or take it nice and easy?
Nice and easy, usually.
Oh, dude, I dig your style. Flip back on the shell with your lids closed, just like, dude.
Yeah, that's me.
I'm Sasha. I'm not throwing away my shot. No. Oh, dude, but sometimes, you gotta rip it, roll it, and punch it. Hey, you humans want to see how fast the Crush Man can swim?
Yeah.
If you can say chaw.
Yeah.
Oh, you so totally rock.
Dude.
Dude, sweet. All right, I'm gonna go back here and get the motor running. This is gonna be a turtle speed record. This one's for you, Sasha. All right, dudes, here I come. I'm ripping it, I'm rolling it, I'm punching it. Oh, yeah, here I come. Whoa, dude.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, I'm okay. Thanks for asking. No worries.
Hey, Crush, watch out for the glass.
Oh, thanks, Hank. A little late, but whoa. You dudes all saw that too, right?
Yeah.
Whoa, dude, that's messing with my noggin. But I just realized I've been doing all the talking. Who out there's got a quizzy for the crush, man? Totally raise your fins if you got questions for me, dudes. Oh, sweet, we got some questions out there. Yo, dude, Kyle, let's start over here in this sub-level. Little dude with like the lid on the noggin.
Yeah, dude.
Hey, dude, what's your name?
Henry.
Oh, dude, nice to meet you, Hank 10 Henry. Dude, what do you want to know?
My favorite fish is a lanternfish or a dragonfish.
Whoa, dude, I know about those lanternfish. Those things are really cool, dude. Why do you like them so much?
Because they have lanterns on their head.
Ah, yeah, dude, that makes sense. They're really cool, dude. Well, do you maybe, I don't know, also like turtles?
Yeah.
Rock on, dude. You're gonna change my name from Crush to Blush. Oh, dude, what, do you like the ocean a whole lot?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet. Do you like to go hang out in the water?
Yeah.
Okay, well, just make sure you always have a swimming buddy, okay? Because, like, my little dude, Nemo, he did not have a swimming buddy once. He got lost for an hour and 47 minutes. It was intense. We searched the entire ocean. Turned out he was at the dentist. Oh, hey, dude, you seem really smart. Maybe you can help me with something, dude. I found this human thing down here, but I don't know what it is. Let me go get it real quick. Yo, dude, Hank 10 Henry. What is this thing?
A toy.
Whoa, does he have a name?
Buzz Lightyear.
Oh, sweet. I've been calling him Disney. What? That's what it says on his booty. Does Buzz Lightyear do anything cool?
Yeah, it does.
Oh, cool. Hit me with it. What does he do?
You can just move his arms and his legs.
Oh, dude. Cool. Like, oh, you just gotta play with them?
Uh-huh.
Oh, sweet. Let's try it out. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, wait, does he talk too?
Yeah.
Oh, that would explain what happened, because the other day I dropped him on the coral. He started freaking out, dude. He was all like... Yeah, he doesn't do that anymore. He's been down here for a while. Well, thanks for teaching me about the buzz, dude. You so totally rock! Dude, sweet. Hey, this is really fun. Let's keep this going. Who else got quizzies for me out there, dudes? Oh, sweet. Okay, let's go back over to this sub-level. Like, dudette right next to the railing. She got the extra ears on the noggin.
Yeah, dude.
Hey, dudette, what's your name?
Emma,
Oh, dude, nice to meet you, Electric Eel Emma. Dude, what do you want to know?
is water wet?
Ooh. Good thing we're at the bottom of the ocean, because this just got deep. Well, I guess it would depend upon your definition of what is wet and what can get things wet. Because I know that water can make things wet, but I don't think that water can make itself any wetter than it already is. So, short answer, no. What do you think, dude? What's your answer?
I agree with you.
Oh, okay. Well, here's the real question. If you melt dry ice, can you swim without getting wet?
I don't know, because I'm pretty sure dry ice is like carbon dioxide, but solid.
Ooh.
So...
Oh, okay, so then, all right, that does not answer that question. Rock on. Well, dude, thanks for talking to me. You so totally rock. Dude, sweet. Oh, hey, Jellyman, what's up, dude?
Oh, hello, Crush. I'm trying to get away from a turtle pile.
Oh, but dude, turtle piles are awesome. Hey, humans, shout out Turtle Pile!
Please, I'm just going away from a turtle pile.
Oh, yeah, good little dudes.
Stop! Oh, too much. That tickles. I can't breathe.
Okay, little dude, surf's up on the EIC.
Thanks a lot, Crush.
For what?
The turtle pile?
Ah, humans, he said it. Shout it again. Turtle Pile! I don't think he understands the rules of that game. Hey, dudes, who else got the quizzies out there for me, dudes? Totally raise those fins up. Oh, hey, dude, Kyle, we're gonna kick it in the seats over here, dude. We're gonna go, like, second row first noggin. That dude's got a quizzy for me.
Yeah, dude.
Yo, dude, what's your name?
Danny,
Oh, dude, nice to meet you, Deep Sea Danny. Dude, what do you want to know?
what is the secret of life?
Oh, dude, another deep question. Well, dude, check it out. For us turtles, you know, you just gotta, like, take every wave as it comes and, you know, just, like, go with the flow. That's really what it is about, dude, you know, because you never really know, but when they'll know, you'll know, you know? So what about you? What do you think the meaning of life is?
Eat potatoes.
Oh. That's really deep. Dude, well then, if that's your meaning of life, do you ever eat too many potatoes and you get the bubbles?
No.
Oh, good, 'cause that would be a very weird meaning to life if that happened. You ate too many potatoes, the bubbles just came up, and you wouldn't even know it. They'd be, whoa. Looks like I'm switching my motto then. Oh, dude, thanks for talking to me. You so totally rock. Dude, yo, Kyle, hold up. There's like the dude in the first row right next door, Swimmer. He had a quizzy for me too. Let's talk to him real quick. Yo, dude, what's your name?
Jake?
Dude, nice to meet you. Jake the Snake. Dude, what do you want to know?
I wanted to know what's the name of your children?
All 65?
As many as you could name.
Like right now?
Right now.
All right, I hope you got a minute, dude. All right, dude, so we got my youngest. His name is Squirt. And then we got Michelle, Lishelle, Trishelle, Hishelle, Hershelle, Arshelle, one shell, two shell, red shell, blue shell, Shalalella Ding Dong. Then we got my twins, Bill and Ted. The other twins, Wayne and Garth. The other twins, Cheech and Chong. Then we got my triplets, Mary, Kate, and Ashley. Then we got John, Paul, George, and Ringo. And John's going through a weird phase. He thinks he's a walrus. I don't understand. And then we got Chris Jr., 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 Horatio, Chris Jr., Chris Jr., Chris Jr., all the way up to my oldest, Keanu. Yeah, he's awesome. He swims the Point Break, but he's 100 and lives at home. We're working on that. No worries. Wow, hey, dude, he's squirting the Crush Juniors. Hey, dude, hold up.
Dad, come on. Time to ride the AC, dude.
Okay, dude, I'm right behind you. Humans, it has been excellent talking with you, but familia calls. But before I go, let me leave you with some excellent turtle knowledge. Humans, in life, treat everyone you meet like an oyster, because you never really know when you just might find your pearl. Oh, it's like a warm and fuzzy moment, huh, dude? I love the warm and fuzzy moments. They just sneak up on you. Looks like I need some more potatoes then. All right, dudes, I'm out of here. But remember, you so totally rock.
Dude, my Crush. How about a big hand for Crush, everybody? All right, dudes and dudettes, your exit doors have opened on your left. Make sure to grab all your personal belongings.